Hello, namaste, and welcome back to my channel, No Rocket Science. Today I'm sharing a 100-year-old magic recipe. Curious? Of course you will be curious because this recipe is for coffee lovers and haters. Many coffee lovers have quit coffee due to its negative impact like insomnia, digestive issues, and many more. So, here I am with this magical coffee powder out of chickpeas. I'm taking a handful of chickpeas here. Please note this is the only superfood you need to make this coffee powder. Let's get started. Take a thick vessel with a thick base to cook this chickpeas. Now I'll put this chickpeas here. It should be just on single layer because we have to cook every chickpeas evenly, inside out. You should roast it but not burn it. So please watch it while you're roasting the chickpeas. It might take a little long time, like say 20-30 minutes. You have to slowly roast it in low to medium flame. The chickpeas are getting roasted here, so you have to keep checking in between and keep on giving a stir occasionally. Brown. So chickpea has a lot of health benefits. It's really good for your skin, bone, and heart health. It also helps in weight management while reducing your appetite. It's completely roasted, as you can see. Now we'll put it in a blender and make a fine powder. I will put this in the blender. Now while you're blending and making it a fine powder, don't do it all together and do it in batches. Otherwise it might damage the blades of the blender. So this is the first batch after the first few minutes of blending, and this is the second one. You can make it a fine powder. It's giving a very nice aroma and smell of coffee already. Is my coffee powder and I'm going to make 2 cups of coffee here. So there you go, my first spoon and one more. So you can take a little bit more than the usual measure which you take for making a coffee. A little bit sugar. My piping hot cup of chickpea coffee is ready. I'm straining my coffee. I like it that way. It gives a very nice aroma, smelling like coffee, and it actually tastes like coffee, trust me. I'm going to make black coffee as well. I'll show you. So I have made this with half a spoon of chickpea coffee powder and some jaggery. This black coffee smells more like coffee than the milk coffee. So please do try this chickpea coffee powder recipe. Do share your feedback in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe the video. And do come back for a new recipe next time. Thank you so much for watching. Until we meet again, take care. Bye bye.